the last day of seeing my dog called Rendezvous. He's my best friend. He's our main best friend. Okay. This is the last day of seeing him. I miss him very much. He's a very cool dog. Yeah, cool. I miss him very much. Okay, Rendezvous, come here. Good boy.
So he's also going to the new house?
We'll get a new owner. I love him very much. Rendezvous, come kiss me.